You may have noticed that the majority of your content on Instagram is not from people you actually follow. Instagram's algorithm will now show you topics that it thinks you like based on your behavior in the app. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to tell Instagram what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of. Hi, I'm Marta, creator of Accountabilibuddies and digital marketing consultant, where I help small business owners optimize their online presence. Instagram calls this feature your algorithm. And the big thing that's changed since I last talked about this is that it no longer just covers Reels. When you adjust your topics, your recommendations update across feeds, Reels, and Explore all at once. So why does this matter for your business? If you're a business owner, your feed is research. It's where you can spot trends, you can see what your competitors are doing, find trending audio, and different formats that you can use. But if your feed is full of stuff you scrolled past 6 months ago, you're doing research in a messy room. And cleaning this up takes about 2 minutes. So open the Instagram app on your phone and tap the Reels button at the bottom. Then in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see this little icon of 2 bars with hearts, and click there. Here is where you find an AI-generated summary of your algorithm. Here is where you can tweak what you want to see more of, and being specific helps it feed you topics that are actually more relevant. Then you have the option here to see less of things. And so here is where you can add things you don't want to see on your algorithm. The other thing you can do is you can move things from one section to another. And so you can move down to see less if that's not relevant to your business anymore. Then additionally, you can go here to the 3 dots and have even more controls. You can look at political content. You can go to sensitive content and adjust to there. And you can also go to learn more about your specific algorithm and additional content preferences. Give it a day. This change isn't instant. Instagram needs time, and it needs you to actually engage with the new stuff for it to stick. So scroll with a little more intention for the next few days. Be sure to watch the things you ask for in the algorithm all the way through and skip past the things that you're not interested in. Summer is the time where social media platforms tweak their algorithms, so now is a great time to adjust yours. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. It genuinely helps more small business owners find these how-tos. And if you want this kind of hands-on help, come check out Accountabilibuddies. It's my membership where we work together on your marketing, keep each other accountable, and actually get things done. The first month is free, so you can see if it's the right fit for you and your business. I'll link it in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe so you can catch next week's how-to, and let me know in the comments what topic you're kicking off your feed. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.